Hold on. Ready?
You get your last account?
Oh yeah.
1, 2, 3. At least it's not something on that gross show that you have to eat.
You're having too much fun.
Look at Tanya.
It's going to be a long contest.
Yeah, I think so. Oh, God.
What are you doing?
They're eating what? There's no hands. Can eat it. There's no hands. You can eat it. The best.
Ready?
Go Tanya, 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 go Tanya.
The juice is dripping right off Tanya's mouth.
Just like having a smoothie.
Oh, that was just a cake on there.
Don't choke.
I'm going to choke.
Yeah, you better hurry.
Don't laugh, okay? Don't laugh.
Tasha!
Good strategy,
He's
Tanya.
beating you. Holy Tanya.
Tasha! No, stay! Stay!
Napkin.
Tasha! Stay!
I'll give you a napkin. There.
Hey, get back here.
If either one of you want to forfeit,
Don't not look
you
at
gotta
each
say it
other,
out loud.
then laugh.
They're doing pretty good. They are doing good.
Don't look at each other.
Tim, you looked at me like a...
Can I grab that black thing right there?
with your teeth.
What was it, man?
Just a bug.
You can eat the bug. Go do it.
Tanya's getting the mashed potato gag going on.
What is that thing she's got over there? I don't know.
It looks good, you guys.
Don't look at each other, okay, Tina?
I can't get any more.
I can't either.
I'm trying to bite it, but I can't.
Hey,
Hey, you
are
guys,
doing
it's
good.
really good.
Good job.
I think What'd you do?
You just sniff it up.
Get your hair.
No, I think I snotted on it a couple times.
Oh, that's all right. You can snot back up.
Yeah.
All right.
Go, Tanya.
I think Tanya's gonna win.
You think so?
Yeah, me too. And Tanya, win of the golf thing.
My God. And she turns it around to get a better angle.
Okay,
Did I
Tanya.
win?
No.
What?
I'm playing too.
Go ahead. Go ahead and eat yours.
No.
You can race.
Okay. No.
Look at the juice of mine.
Oh,
That's
my
blood.
From your victim.
From your victim. You're chewing the victim up.
Okay,
From the
Tanya
lumpy
wins.
mashed potatoes.
Tanya won.
Yay!
Tanya won. Oh.
Oh, boy.
I think I'm gonna throw up.
Your belly's getting. I think you're gonna be a big fat person now.